How to launch a profitable tech career as a total newbie without wasting time, energy, and money. Now, what exactly will this mean to you? Imagine if in the next 90 days you can acquire at least one skill that can help you charge as high as $500. Would you like to learn such skill? It does not matter if you are a newbie right now with no tech experience, or if you have never made a dime online before, or maybe you cannot afford a very expensive tech training. And guess what? After this training, you will even know why most persons who try to go into tech either don't get started or get frustrated along the way. What I'm about to share with you will work for anyone who is starting from the scratch, either with zero knowledge or zero experience. Now, the big question is, how do I break into tech space and become profitable in as little as 90 days without any prior experience? It is only possible and practicable if you follow a step-by-step proven framework. If you have failed in the past or you are currently stuck where you are, you know what? This framework is going to work for you. What you need is a framework. In this training, I will show you two stumbling blocks that stops Nigeria from breaking into tech world and the counterintuitive way to deal with it. And also seven high income tech skills you can learn in 2024 and land high paying jobs. How to launch your tech career in three simple steps, even if you are a beginner and don't know where to start from. Stay to the end and I will show you the easiest and cheapest way you can launch your tech career today and how to get started today. My name is Orji. Now, are you ready and excited? Breaking into tech is simple if you follow a clear-cut, step-by-step process. The truth is this: 90% of people who dream of starting a career in tech either fail or get frustrated. The remaining 10% who succeed get paid so unbelievably well. Entering into the tech market is very confusing for newbies just starting from knowing what to learn to knowing what you need to learn, and that skill to knowing how to land high paying jobs. I mean, it's a lot for them. If you don't have a laid down step by step process to guide you along the path, you will only get frustrated and fail woefully. Most people who fail in their journey into the building a profitable tech career fail because some limiting mindset. Let me address some of these mindsets before I show you how to launch your career in the tech industry. The limiting beliefs that hold you back could be: one, learning tech skill is complicated, I may not understand it. Two, all tech skills require that you must learn coding and coding is too hard. Three, I don't have any guide, I can do it all by watching YouTube. Or maybe you feel you don't even need any guide. Now let us look at these two scenarios. Scene one, this is a case of Shola, not a real name though. She dreams of learning a tech skill and landing a remote job. Now, Shola gets it all wrong from the beginning. She does not even know the variety of opportunities available in the tech world. She starts surfing the internet and watching YouTube videos about various skills. She starts learning several unrelated skills without clear direction on how to gain mastery of any. She even tries to get a few paid trainings recommended by trusted sources. Now, she does not know the variety of opportunities available in the tech world, and that is where a lot of people get it wrong. Now, it is practically impossible for her to get any job because she has missed it from the beginning. She concludes it is not possible to learn a tech skill online. She finally gets frustrated after a few months and gives up on her dream of mastering a skill and landing her dream job. It cost her a lot. Yes, it cost her time, money, and mental health. It cost her time. She wasted trying to figure out how the whole tech space works and failed. It cost her money, which she wasted buying trainings that she would never have needed if she had proper guidance or foundation. Then her mental health. Then due to her failure, her mental health is messed up with self-doubt and limiting beliefs, and her dreams buried and forgotten. Now let us compare Shola to Jide. Now this is Jide. Jide took his time to understand the basic requirement to hit it big in the tech space. He understood different opportunities available to him in the tech space and picked the one that aligns with his personality. He got himself a recognized teacher with track record to guide him through the process. He didn't go through all the stress Shola went through, but he gets better results than Shola. He has landed himself two remote jobs working from the comfort of his home. What makes the difference between Jide and Shola? We will cover how to get incredible results by breaking down all the wrong belief system holding you back. Learning tech skill is complicated. I may not understand it. Now let's look into this. No skill is complicated, even if it requires coding. You only need two things. One, the right mindset. Two, a very good dedicated tutor who can show you step by step. All tech skills requires that you must learn coding. Coding is too hard. This is another big fat lie. When most people hear tech, they assume it's about coding. There are some tech skills that do not even require you to learn any line of code. I'm going to mention a few skills that do not require you learning coding. Even though a skill requires coding, if you are willing to learn, it is not complicated. I don't need any guide. I can do it alone by watching YouTube videos. This is another terrible mistake a lot of tech will be make in their journey. Content creators on YouTube did not create the content to help you master your skill. They created it to get views and get paid by YouTube. If you depend on YouTube trainings, you will fail. You need a step-by-step guide and mentorship. In Insight, I made most of the mistake too. Now, look at this. After figuring out what I know now, I shared it with Jide. Step 1, understand the basic requirement you need to learn a tech skill and land your dream job. Step 2, pick a skill that best aligns with your person. Stick to it and master it. Step 3, launch out and land your dream job. Step 1, essential skill to learn a tech skill and land your dream job. Now this requires that you must have self-confidence, willingness to learn and patience to grow. If you are going to grow in the tech skill, these three are required. Now step 2, pick a skill, stick to it and master it. Here are 7 high demand tech skill you can start with today. Data analysis, YouTube management, graphic design, web design and development, blogging and content creation, social media management, cryptocurrency, video editing. I know these 3 steps work because these 3 steps have worked for myself and for other people in the past. This was exactly what I did 7 years ago to begin my career in tech. Today, I have made millions of naira online working with several business as an in-house expert or freelancer. I have also founded my own academy that has trained dozens of Nigerians who currently do well for themselves. Launch your tech career in just 3 steps. 1, understand the basic requirements you need to learn a tech skill and land your dream job. 2, pick a skill that best aligns with your person or personality, stick to it and master it. 3, launch out and land your dream job. I want to give you something to help you get started in your career today, especially if you are looking forward to starting a tech career. So you will never have to waste time, effort and money beating about the bush, so that you can have proper foundation to craft a high profitable tech career, so that you don't end up tired and frustrated like 90% of people who want to break into the tech space. With this in your hand, you can craft a purposeful tech career building journey from scratch. Even if you don't have any experience at all, you can start all this by yourself from the scratch. Course bundle. I'm introducing the Luemprex Crash Course Bundle. It's a 6-in-1 beginner to intermediate tech foundational skill bundle to help newbies craft a high profitable tech career from scratch. What is inside the Luemprex Crash Course Bundle? 1. Graphic design crash course. This is valued to be 10,000 naira. 2. Music video editing, which is valued at 20,000 naira. 3. Video editing with smartphone, also valued at 15,000 naira. 4. Blogging and content creation, valued at 25,000 naira. 5. Profitable crypto money foundation mini course, which is valued at 20,000 naira. 6. Data analysis with Excel, valued at 20,000 naira. And you also have a bonus course, which is YouTube Masterclass, which is the seventh, and it is valued at 15,000 naira. Now, the total value of all these courses is about 115,000 naira. With this in your hand, you have the chance to learn 7 high demand skills and lay proper foundation for your success in the tech industry. With this in your hand, you can have proper insight into several skills and pick the one that best suits you or your personality. Are you ready to lay your hands on this? It does not matter if you don't have any prior experience. These are beginner friendly trainings, straight to the point, easy to understand. We basically handpick these skills for you to give something you can rely on, something solid as a foundation to launch your career. Jide went from a total newbie to landing 2 remote jobs, all because of the clarity he got by starting his journey with Luemprex Crash Course Bundle. Here are a few testimonials to the success our students have gained over the years from Luemprex Digital Network. Now, how do you get the Luemprex Crash Course Bundle? Now, this crash course bundle is valued at 115,000 naira. This exactly what you will spend if you decide to learn each of these skill one by one or separately from any source. Mastering one or two of these skills can land you high paying job in the next 6 months that will make you way more than that. It is an investment that pays for itself. Because I want to take you first step in launching your tech career journey, I'm going to make you a special offer that will blow your mind. Special offer for the first 50 persons today. Now, instead of spending 115,000 naira to master these skills and launch your tech career, I will hand you this bundle for just 3,500 naira only. You get that right, 3,500 naira only. If after going through this bundle, you decide to go deeper into any of the skills, I will also give you a 50% scholarship access into any advanced training you require to go to the next level. You are now left with two options. Option one, you can decide to close this page, miss this special offer, take the long expensive time wasting route and get frustrated till you give up on your dreams. Or option two, you can grab the special offer, cut off all the trial and errors and go straight to what works so you can start the journey to your dream the right way. Think about this. It's way less than what you spend on data within a month. You cannot buy a good pair of shoes that can last for 3 months. Acquiring knowledge of 6 to 7 high demand skills with a sure future discount on advanced training and mentorship on anyone you choose to focus on is a lifetime opportunity no serious person should miss. Buy it now. Today's price is at 3,500 naira. Please take note, we intend to split up the bundle and sell each training as a standalone training for its actual market value price after the first 50 persons have purchased this at 3,500 naira. So what you're going to do now is to click the button below. Now you have some additional bonuses if you buy now. I will give you access to my special video resource that will show you how to land foreign jobs with your skills and how to create an attention grabbing resume to stand out as you send out application for jobs. This is valued at 25,000 naira. Let us go over what you are getting again one by one. Now, the first is graphic design crash course, which is valued at 10,000 naira. Music video editing valued at 20,000 naira. Video editing with smartphone valued at 15,000 naira. Blogging and content creation valued at 25,000 naira. Profitable crypto money foundation mini course valued at 20,000 naira. Data analysis with Excel valued at 20,000 naira. And YouTube masterclass valued at 15,000 naira. The total value of all this is 115,000 naira, but today's price is 3,500 naira. So you will click the button to gain access immediately if you want to do that now. The button is below, and if you have any question or need clarification, please feel free to reach out to me directly on WhatsApp. Thank you and have a great day.